Hello and welcome to Adventive University. In this video, we'll provide a tutorial on creating and building a new campaign, adding third-party tracking, and exporting ad tags for trafficking. Adventive's Campaign Manager is a simple, yet powerful tool to prepare for and organize your campaign for trafficking and subsequent performance reporting. To start, we'll need to ensure that we have created and saved at least one ad in either the Rich Media Ad Builder or InStream Video Ad Builder. Please see our knowledge base article, How to Build Your First Rich Media Ad, for a step-by-step walkthrough of building a banner ad in Adventive's Rich Media Ad Builder. From the dashboard, first ensure that you are in the correct advertiser, and then click the Campaigns tab at the top of the screen. The Campaign Manager will open and display any campaigns created in your selected advertiser. If this is your first time creating a campaign in this advertiser, no campaigns will display. To create a new campaign, click the New Campaign button located in the top right corner of the Campaign Manager. A window will appear, prompting you to insert a unique name for the campaign and to set the flight dates. Flight dates are a required attribute to build your campaign and are used for reporting and sorting purposes, as well as scheduling reporting for individual campaigns. However, we will not stop running a campaign even if the flight dates elapse. Once you have entered a name for your campaign and set the flight dates, click Submit and the campaign will be created for you. To modify the campaign name or flight dates, simply click on the field you wish to edit. The inline field editor will open, allowing you to make the necessary changes. Updates are saved automatically. Below the campaign header, there are two main tabs: Sites and Placements and Delivery Groups. The Sites and Placements tab will be where the campaign is built out. Delivery groups can be created and utilized to include multiple ads within a single ad tag. Adventive supports several delivery group algorithms that can be used to perform basic rotation to advanced optimization based on campaign objectives. Delivery groups allow you to traffic multiple creatives across mobile, tablet, and desktop devices with a single ad tag. Delivery groups are not required, but are a helpful way to traffic multiple creatives with a single ad tag. In the Sites and Placements tab, below the flight dates for the campaign in the upper right corner, you'll find a plus sign and an icon with 3 vertical dots. The plus sign will allow you to add a site to your campaign. Once clicked, a list of your sites will open in a pop-up window. Your site list will include all sites created across your Adventive account. Click the site you'd like to add and click Submit. If no sites have been created, it will prompt you to create a site when clicked. Sites can also be created in the Campaign Actions menu to the right of the plus sign. A pop-up window will open to create the site. The site name is required, but the URL, contact, phone, and email fields are optional. Click Submit to create your site and add it to the campaign. Sites are the web properties where you'll run your ads. Simple campaigns will have a single site, while advanced campaigns will have multiple sites. When you create a campaign, you'll first need to add a site. Each campaign requires one site and one placement. The vertical dots icon located to the right of the plus sign is the Campaign Actions menu. From this menu, you can export tags for the campaign as a whole, delete the campaign, add an existing site to the campaign, create a new site and add it to the campaign, or configure automated reporting for the campaign. We automatically store all of your campaign data within our analytics panel. However, Adventive's automated reporting allows you to set up a specific schedule for the delivery of up-to-date reports to any number of email recipients. Once you've added a site to your campaign, a dark teal bar will appear with your site label selected. You can now create placements, which will be added to the site label. All sites require at least one placement. A placement is the section of the site where your ad will appear. However, where the ads run will ultimately be determined by your trafficking setup in your first-party ad server. You can also name the placement in reference to the ad size, ad type, or based on your own naming conventions, and whichever works best for your own organizational purposes. To add a placement, click the message that says "Site has no placements associated with it." To add a placement, click here. Placements can also be added by clicking the plus sign icon located to the right of the site name, or by selecting Add Placement from the Site Actions drop-down menu. Each level of the campaign will have its own actions menu available, labeled with the same 3 vertical dots. Sites, placements, and ads will all have their own actions menu. Within the Placement Actions menu, you have the option to export tags for the entire placement, duplicate the placement, add ad units to the placement, add a previously created delivery group to the placement, or delete the placement. Once the placement is added, enter a name for the placement. You also have the option to adjust the flight dates for the placement if the dates differ from overall campaign flight dates. Estimated impressions are optional fields. Once the placement has been named and configured, you can now add ad units to the placement. There are 3 different ways to add ad units to your placement. If no ads have been added to the placement yet, click the message that says this placement has no ad units associated with it. To add ad units, click here. You can also add ads to your placement by clicking the plus sign icon located to the right of the placement name, or by selecting Add Ad Units from the Placement Actions drop-down menu. Once any of these options are selected, a list of your ad creatives will open in a pop-up window. The 2 drop-down menus in the upper right corner of the window allow you to sort by creative type and the descending order of the units listed. You can choose from Rich Media, Fast, Image File, or all for the creative type, and select how your ads are sorted and listed. You can choose to sort them alphabetically or by last modified date. Select the ad units you'd like to add to the placement and click Submit. Any selected ads will then be added to the placement. Ad units will be displayed under your placement as single line items. The ad name and click-through URL are inline editable and can be updated by clicking on the underlined text. The creative name is not editable as it represents the creative asset to be displayed. The type of ad file and the dimensions of the ad will also display, along with the number of impressions generated for the ad. To the right side of the ad unit line items, you'll find a $ icon, a magnifying glass icon, and another set of 3 vertical dots. The $ allows you to see the CPM cost for the ad unit when hovering over. Ad units containing uploaded video will take up to 5 minutes to optimize, and so the total CPM may take a few minutes to update. The magnifying glass icon allows you to preview your ad unit. The icon of 3 vertical dots is the Ad Unit Actions menu. From this menu, you can preview the ad unit, edit the ad unit in the builder, view the tag for the specific ad unit, export the tag for the specific ad unit, set a backup image for the ad unit, remove the ad unit, and add third-party tracking to the ad unit. We support click, impression, engagement, and viewability tracking. If you'd like to add third-party tracking, click the button from the Add Unit Actions menu and the Third-Party Tracking Manager window will appear and allow you to insert trackers for the ad unit if your client supplies these. Everything you do in the Campaign Manager will override the builder. Trackers will not show in the builder, as this is only one creative unit in the builder. You can use the same unit multiple times within a campaign with multiple sets of tracking if you'd like. Please see our knowledge base article, Understanding Third-Party Tracking, for a more detailed walkthrough of adding tracking to your campaigns. Once your campaign has been built out and organized, with any tracking added, we are ready to export the ad tags for trafficking in your first-party ad server. Adventive's tag generator allows you to export the right first-party tag format, ensuring ads are distributed with the appropriate tag settings. Tags can be exported at the campaign, site, placement, or ad unit/ad group level. For this example, we will export tags for the campaign as a whole by navigating to the topmost set of 3 vertical dots and clicking Export Campaign Tags. A window will appear and allow you to select your ad server or trafficking platform from the list. Adventive is SSL compatible and supports all major first-party ad servers. Adventive will automatically insert the appropriate macros and cache busters into the code snippet for the first-party ad server tag. If your vendor is not listed, select Generic Tag. If you require a specific tag format, please contact support@adventive.com. You can then choose the export format and method. Once selected, click Submit, and the sheet will either be downloaded to your computer or emailed to the specified recipients inserted. You can then copy the tags from your sheet and paste them into your first-party ad server for trafficking as a third-party creative. Please see our knowledge base articles, Exporting Ad Tags, and Trafficking Adventive Ad Tags for more information. Additionally, our corresponding article, Creating, Editing, and Managing Campaigns, will also provide a step-by-step walkthrough for creating campaigns in Adventive. For more information on building and serving ads, please see our knowledge base or reach out to us directly at support@adventive.com. Thank you for watching.